Hello everyone and welcome back to today's another videos, and in this video we are going to take your PC skills to the next level. So you already know the basics, and now it's time to explore advanced data analysis techniques using the P table in Excel. We'll learn about the filter and calculated fields and grouping data and test slicer timelines, like building the summary dashboards. So all using the real example. So at first I will show you a simple data set. So let's say we are analyzing the data set about some sales report. So sales, say this is the sections for the date, after the region, and after that the product and sales representative, and after that the unit sold, and after that the unit price. And now if I add some dates is like let's say 112024 and the 212024. So I will drag these items, till 4, let's say, and I will add the region east, after that west and east and the north, and I will add the products. Let's say this is the pens and notebooks and emojis and pen again, and the sales representative is like Elias and Bob, Charlie's and Elias again, Charlie's and Elias again. The unit sold is like, let's say, 50 items. It's 20 items. So I'm inputting some values. You can use your own real data sets, and then and for the unit price, let's say this is the $10 per unit, $30, $150, and let's say $10. So this is our sample data set. So now we'll build the advanced people reports from this data. So I will highlight the text, and then I will go to the insert tab, and I will select the tables. So, and if I click OK, then as you can see, this is our simple raw data set. And now we are going to make the P4 table. So I will go to the insert tab. Here I'll find the P tables, and I will select the P tables will be made from this table or data range, and I will select this like so our main target will be like inserting our P table. We're going to analyze the total sales per unit. Now select the my pivot tables to be placed in the existing worksheets, and I will select these positions. If I click OK, then this is the pivot tables. Now at first I will drag the product into the rows, and as you can see, our goal in this, and then there's the, let's say we'll see like so now at first, so let's select the unit, so the sales support product, and now I select this total sold, and total sold the values, and then unit price of the values, and you can see you will find like let's say add a calculated field to compute the total revenue actual is. So this, so the calculation you will find the total actual fields, this total revenue. So the total field will revenue like in this. The name will be total revenue, and the formulas will be like in this. So in this, multiplied by the unit price. And now if I know, then the total revenue options will come up. Pivot is now show the total revenue for each products. So I will select the total revenues. As you can see, this is the total revenue for each product. It will appear, and now I can use the filters and the slicers. Like I will go the each product, and it will appear. Now I using this. Now I can use the filters and slicers. So this now go to the show that if we filter the regions, and by region then we'll drag the rate into this filter options. Then as you can see, the filter option will come up and it will appear the rate names. And like to make it introduce live, I will go to the slicer options. So I will insert the slicers, and then I will select, I'll select this, or like let's say the products, and if I click OK, then the slicers will appear. So this are the slicer based on the products. And it is actually make more visuals and user friendly, and we can add the timeline as like we can insert the timelines for the data. And then as you can see, we are all appears as I will show you the process. So we have the product slicers. Like if I select the mug, then only mug information available, the isolated the notebook. But we here we are actually applying. So now if I select the mug, then the mug informations will be available on the nest. And if I select the notebook, then the notebook information will be available on the table. And if I select the pen, and the pen informations, sales details, report will come up with the table. So in this they'll selectify this, and actually insert, and now I will show you how you can actually apply. And now in this then at the features, and this is the mugs, and in this, so and it will ask the change in this. So when I in this so when I select the marks, and then as you can see, information will be removed. If I remove from the list, remove the mark from the list, and then the mark information will be removed from the data as well, the chart as well, and the timeline will be like we're going to, if we want to see the informations about, so the months of January's. So I will select the months of January's, then only the months of January's informations will be available here. And as you can see, the months of January's only pen is sold around like this, and you can see this will be like 500, and you can see the chart will also show the pen functions. So in this, and now, so when I select the February, then it will change months, it will change, and April it's change. So this is the something like that. Now this filter, then there are items available. We can also use the groupings options. Right click here. So like for the date. So if I not actually add the date, so we don't need to add the edit. So you can also add the date in the rows sections. Like if I select the date, then as you can see that the date will actually appear. Now we can actually group our informations, only the months, only the boys. So only the months if I add. So as you can see, the months will be available into the list. This is something like that. You can also make groups. Tables are actually more than summaries, they're actually powerful data analysis tools. So the advanced features like calculated fills, the fills can slice the timelines, grouping, you can actually explore more. So you can explore your data from an angel. So besides these techniques, and will build dynamic dashboards and reports and it actually. So I hope you're understanding this process. This all for today. In the next video, I will discuss about some other exciting things. Okay.